morning, everyone.
Yes, it's on.
Good morning, the ordinary president. Good morning, Brekete family. Good morning, my fellow Nigerians. My name is Hajara Habibu Aliyu. I am Zainab Habibu Aliyu's sister.
Younger sister or elder sister?
Elder sister. She's my young one.
How many are there?
We are 2 in our family. I'm the first one. We traveled on the 24th of December 2018. Myself, my mom, and Zainab. So we traveled from Malam Aminu Kano International Airport. On our arrival to Jeddah.
Kano?
Yes. We arrived Jeddah on the 25th of December around 2 a.m. So we waited for our bus that is going to take us to Medina. We arrived Medina at around 10 a.m. in the morning. When we reached there, of the apartment, I saw like 7 to 6 men.
Oh, they forced the door open?
Yes. 7 to 6 men came in. I was like, sorry, this is not your room. They were like, Aina Zainab, that's in Arabic. Where is Zainab? I said, she's in the room with our mom. They have already slept. What's wrong? They just barged in. My mom was sleeping and my sister with their pajamas.
Not even considering the fact this is an Islamic country. These are women. They should even consider the fact that... Okay, go ahead.
So my mom just opened her eyes and saw men wearing white garments and they are fierce. So she thought she have arrived in heaven already.
Oh my God.
So they were saying, where is Zainab? So they came with handcuffs.
Ajia should sit down because of her leg. Please, women, and Ajia, please.
They handcuffed her, so she was telling my mom to remove her hijab. She told my mom that she wants to use my mom's hijab because it's more comfortable. So they took her away. They said they are coming back. We stayed like for 2 hours because we thought she's going to come back. They went with her luggage as well that have her. They have taken them away from Medina because at first they took them to a cell. She went there. I met one old man that is about 80 years old. She said they put them in a cell with a small window. And she asked them that
she and the old man in the same cell?
No, different
separate cells.
Yeah.
Okay.
She said that please she want to ease herself. But they didn't let her, so she had to ease herself on
inside the cell?
Yeah. She said she was just praying. She prayed more than 40 rakats. She didn't do salam because she don't know what is wrong with. So they took them to Jeddah, and she didn't call till around 12 a.m. the next day because one woman saw her, she's crying in the prison in Saudi. So she called us. She just said, Mama in a prison.
Which means she is in prison.
Our mom just broke down. I've never seen her in that kind of situation. And I have to be the strong one for them. So they said we have to go to know the ambassador for her case to be easy. That was how we started making contact.